it's Shannon. I am outside in the workshop today. I'm going to be building a farmhouse style step stool, so let's get started. So the wood that I'm actually going to be using today for this project is a 1x10 as well as a 1x3. So it's not a lot of wood that you'll need for this. It's actually a project you can do for under $10. So here is a look at the cut boards that you will need. You will need two 1x10s cut at 7.5 inches long. You will also need two 1x3s cut at 13 inches long. And then you will need one piece of a 1x10 cut to 16 inches long. So now we're gonna do a little bit more work on our 1x10s and our 1x3s. We're actually gonna cut these down and have them tapered from the top to the bottom at a 5-degree angle on each side. So the top is gonna be a little bit thinner or less wide as the bottom. And then we're gonna do the same thing to the 1x3s. However, we're gonna do the ends of these. So you'll have a 5-degree angle cut on each side of these. So to cut the angles, the 5-degree angles, I'm just going to adjust my miter saw over to the 5-degree mark here, like so, and our saw is ready to go. Here's a look at the pieces cut at the angles. These are going to be your legs. And then here is a look at the 1x3s, which are going to be the apron that connects this all together. I'm actually going to do a little bit more work on the legs. I'm going to notch out a triangle so it looks like the bottom has two little feet. have added pocket holes to the apron pieces. So I've got 2 on each end and then 2 in the middle, facing towards the shorter end, the shorter side of that. And then I've got 2 on the tops of the feet. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put it together. Got it all put together, and I'm gonna flip it over so you can see the underneath side too. So here's the bottom. You can see the pocket holes that screw directly into the top, and then the 2 on the apron that went into the sides that secured the legs together. I'm gonna go ahead and stain this. This is a really well-loved and used can. I'm about ready to get a new can of this. It is Minwax Jacobean color. Can't really see it, but that's what I'm gonna go ahead and stain this stool with.